Kalau kau gabung nonton TV, siapkan HP-nya, siapkan wifi-nya, siapkan YouTube-nya, siapkan segalanya. Kau akan penuh dengan bahagia. Oni TV.
Gabuters, jadi aku udah sampai di tempat ini. Ini of course bukan destinasi tapi kuliner. Cuman tempatnya itu bener-bener yang destinasi juga karena sawah banget dan dia tersembunyi banget, Gabuters, di daerah Ubud. Aku akan jelasin alamatnya ke kalian. Oke, kita langsung aja masuk ke dalam. Aku parkir di sini sih. Aku nggak tahu sih parkirnya emang di sini atau enggak. Terus kalian tuh masuk ke dalam gini kan, terus ternyata kalian tuh lihatlah. Wow, so beautiful, right? Oops, sorry Gabuters, aku kena iklan sama Pop. Oh, bukan ini jalannya. Oh, ini. Harusnya tadi kanan lewat sini, Gabuters. Tuh kan, cantik banget kan. Mari kita masuk. Hai Mbak, ini restoran apa? Bali atau restoran English? Are you not Indonesian? Oh, where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Ah, dari Kanada kamu betul.
Or I can speak a little bit. I can count from 1 to 5. That's about it.
Oh,
And selamat pagi.
selamat pagi. Okay. Do you want to eat in here?
Yeah. I'm just trying to figure out. I was looking at the menu to see what is good.
Oh,
But yeah.
I'm Indonesian, but this is actually my first time coming here.
Okay.
But can you join me for?
Of course. Yeah, would love to. Yeah.
Come on, guys, kebetulan aku dapat teman baru. Christy, are you alone in here?
Sorry.
You coming here alone by yourself? Or?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
So where'd you get this place? Like on the internet? Or?
Yeah, I saw it on one of my really good friends who goes to like different really good authentic Indonesian restaurants, and he likes to send them to me, and because I feel like when you're in Bali it's the best way to experience the real thing, right? And this is as real as gets.
Wow, your friend is good.
Yeah, my friend is great. Yeah.
Okay, let me order.
Okay.
Let's go, Kirsty. We choose the place. I feel like I like the corner one.
Yeah. Okay.
The corner, yeah.
Just anything closer to the greenery. I think it would be really, really nice for us to enjoy.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, where is the way? Oh yeah, right there. Yeah, right there.
Okay, yeah, let's go over there.
Oh, okay.
They bring the food?
Yeah, they bring the food. Dia foto-foto dong, the real tourism. Wow, ada sapi dong. Lah. Maksud apa sapinya? Kirsty, this is so good. What do you think? What is that?
It's that thing up there. Whenever there's wind, it acts sort of like a fan, I guess.
Yes.
But it's so cool.
Yeah.
And I love the music.
Gabuters, jadi makanannya udah datang. Aku mau makan sama Kirsty. Dan tau gak sih Gabuters? Beli, boleh minta tolong bentar gak Beli? Ini namanya apa Beli?
Rujak kuah pindang.
Rujak kuah pindang. Terus aku order ini apa Beli?
Bulung boni.
Bulung boni. Ini bulung boni. Ada soto ayam sama ayam goreng. Makasih banyak Beli.
Makasih.
Which food you wanna try first?
Soto ayam.
Soto ayam, okay. At the first, you have to eat something that maybe more comfortable, more normal.
No, it's just for Spanish or Chinese people. Normally we have soup first before we eat the main meal. Yes, so it's just a habit.
Oh, I learned something.
And I also
It's kind of like appetizer.
No, it's to like kind of coat your stomach.
Yeah. Like make the stomach more comfortable first
Yes.
before you eating
Yes,
something.
yes.
Oke,
Oke.
Kirsty mau makan soto ayam dulu.
Makan.
Selamat makan, Kirsty.
Selamat makan.
Ya, karena aku tuh nggak pernah makan yang rujaknya ini juga betul, jadi kan aku agak takut gitu kan. Jadi aku mau coba untuk makan yang biasa aku makan dulu aja. Jujurly udah yang kayak lapar banget. Super starving.
So the soup itself, it's not too oily, but you can taste the chicken, which is really, really good. And then the noodles, because they put it in less, so there's still some elasticity. So when you eat it, it's not like bleh, you know, like it's not like a blob. Like you can see how fine every single noodle is. So when you're eating it, you can still feel the elasticity between the noodles, and then you can bite down and you can feel it and you can taste it. Delicious.
It's kind of like what you talk is the noodles still strong, right? I see.
Oh, you want to try?
Okay. Is it spicy? Is it okay?
It's okay. Yeah.
But I ordered in this thing for you. If you're not cannot finishing it, I can eat it. Because
You're super starving.
No, I'm super big of
I'm gonna try this, okay?
Yeah.
So this is seaweed.
Jadi itu kayak rujak dari rumput laut gitu loh, asli khas Bali. And you know what, Kirsty? The water? What
This
is
is really salty.
Salty?
Try.
Savory?
Very, very salty. Spicy. This tastes like the ocean.
Yeah.
It tastes exactly like the ocean.
Yeah.
When you're surfing and you fall into the ocean, that's what it tastes like.
Ya benar-benar. Sumpah. Hey, what is this?
Beans.
No, the boom.
I have no idea. You don't question it, you just eat it.
Okay. Yeah. But I like the seaweed, right?
Yeah.
But
It's very chewy, like it's very fresh.
but a little bit fishy.
Yeah, it tastes a little bit fishy.
And the fact is, the water, what is it in English? The water?
The broth.
Yeah, the broth made from fish.
Okay, no wonder it tastes like the ocean.
Yeah.
And then what is this?
It is the same, but with the...
This is seaweed?
No, seaweed, this is...
Radish.
Oh my god. Even in Indonesia, I don't know, I forgot the name. Is it a mango, but young version? Mango, but in a young version.
This is so good.
Every single woman will like this in Indonesia.
Oh my god, this is delicious. There's a slight of bitterness when you eat it. It almost tastes like lotus.
Lotus?
You know, like the big
lotus.
lotus, and then it's raw. You cut it, you slice it very thin, and then you make it pickled. That's what it tastes like, the texture.
The fact is, I never tried lotus, but if this taste is like lotus, so I can. If do you think is it delicious?
Yeah.
I wanna ordering a lot of rujak, but the other from the other region of Indonesia, like from Japanese, from blah blah blah. In Bali, they use this water, fish water broth. You say it, but in Japanese, we use like peanut sauce. Peanut sauce, yeah. But a little bit sweet. Actually, I wanna eating fast for his. So starving, like I wanna give him the bone.
Yeah, please. Thank you.
Terus bisa kalian lihat, jadi kita makan diperhatiin sama anjing pelapar di belakang. Tunggu ya anjing. Tunggu anjing, bentar anjing. Oh my god. Bentar ya anjing, bentar. Ya, salah lempar. Ya, akhirnya dia ketemu juga. Terus Gabarders makannya udah segini gini kan. Terus minumnya es teh lagi. If you guys curious about the music,
The music is actually coming from a device that they built.
Yeah.
Looks sort of like a house, but inside there's like wheels. So whenever there is the wind, it kind of makes music, which I think is quite entertaining and calming. Like so serene, you know, with like behind us there's rice field, and then there's 2 cows over there just minding their own business, and then there's like people sitting, and then everyone has their own space, which is amazing. I'm so glad.
Actually, you're the great co-pilot. Co-pilot.
Co-pilot. And I'm so glad you invited me to have lunch with you.
Oh, I'm so glad eating it this place with you, Kirsty. For the seasoning of the chicken, it's so good for me. But I'm not telling you it's the best one, food, blah blah blah. But what they selling in this place is the environment, right? Yeah.
I mean, it's just a great place for you to like either be by yourself, come here with a friend, you can spend the whole afternoon here, have a meal, have an iced tea, have a bintang, you know, and then like just enjoy the environment, like be, you know, this is what Bali is about, right? People come to Bali, people come to Bali for serenity, people come to Bali to relax, people come to Bali for rice fields, for like, you know, to see the old Bali. And I feel like this is a place where it's so authentic that you feel like you are actually in Bali. Not in Canggu, you know, like there's no construction going on. You don't hear people like breaking concrete or like machines or tractors or whatever. But this is just a place where you can sit with a friend in the afternoon, and if you want to have a drink, you can have some snacks, have lunch, and then just enjoy the view. And because the shack is actually covered, so it doesn't matter whether it's sunny or whether it's raining, you can still enjoy yourself, which I think is so important, you know? You don't get sunburned, right?
I love her so much. She's good co-pilot.
I'm good co-pilot eating.
Co-pilot YouTuber.
Yeah, right. You know what's so good about this place?
What?
Is that there's no bule here.
Huh.
I'm the only bule.
Yeah.
But I'm not even a bule. You know? People think I'm Indonesian, guys.
Yeah.
So I think it's actually a compliment.
Yeah. You feel like to be on honor?
Yeah.
Oh.
Why?
Like when you say compliment, why? Because you feel like to be honored for.
Because I feel like this is my home now, so it's nice to be recognized as being a part of the family.
Absolutely.
You know? Like
Yeah.
foreigners come to Bali, they don't really respect anything, you know? And the people here just like, the people here are very respectful. And I feel like when people say, oh, like when people speak to me in Indonesian, it's like, oh, they think I'm a local. I already live here.
Yeah.
You know? And it feels amazing.
Yeah.
Right?
It feels like you're rich local.
No, it feels...
Because your vibe. Okay guys, so I curious about this. Aku akan misahin ininya. Maybe Kirsty wanna eat again. Udah ya anjing, aku udah gak ngasih kamu lagi. Yang Kirsty bilang tadi itu rasanya kayak lautan bener. You say the taste is like ocean, right?
Yeah. It tastes exactly like the ocean. When you're about to fall in.
Actually, Kirsty said to me off camera, she a surfer. So when she eat it, it reminds her about when she's falling, yeah, to the oceans. Because the taste is the combinations between the seaweed and the fish and the salty water, salty brunch. Jadi looksnya kayak gini guys. Yang bikin spesial dari makanan ini adalah kalau kita makan dia agak meletus di mulut gitu. Tapi aku berharap ini bisa lebih mengurang asin itu agak dikurangin dikit karena dia menurut aku terlalu asin. Dan yang kedua rujak ini. Aku pikir ini semua perempuan pasti bakal suka sih. Tapi ini kayaknya rujaknya juga terbuat dari kuah daging ikan. Cuman ini tuh yang bikin enak tuh dia agak manis dikit ketimbang yang seaweed gitu loh, gak betul? Aku yakin banget di dalamnya tuh ada nanas, ada bengkoang, ada mangga. Ini sepertinya pepaya. Bukan pepaya. Aku nggak tahu ini apa. Rasanya kayak ubi-ubian. Oh iya, pepaya deh. Pepaya yang masih mentah gitu kali ya?
There's papaya in it?
And pineapple. Christy, you said to me that you want me to recommend your favorite dumpling. Jadi dia mau ngerekomendasiin aku dumpling. Jadi habis dari sini kita akan makan dumpling. Christy, actually I have a motto. I have a word. No, word for closing my YouTube video. Don't forget to share love and positivity. If you don't have anything nice to say, keep it to yourself. Only love and positivity here. Yeah. Can you say it to my YouTube to my viewers?
Yes. What would you like me to say? Okay, but the thing is, I need to. You can't just tell me all of that and expect me to memorize it on you.
Okay. Because I think is it your language, so you can easily remember. But yeah, it's gonna be hard because it's too long. Don't forget
Don't forget
to share, spread.
Don't forget to spread love and positivity.
If you don't
have anything nice to say, don't say it.
keep it
Keep it to yourself.
only love
Only love.
and positivity.
Only positivity in here.
Okay. Jadi Gaputers, video dumplingsnya akan di part kedua.
Dua.
1, 2, 3. Don't forget to share love and positivity. If you don't have anything nice to say,
keep it to yourself.
Only
Love and positivity
in here.